Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Who did that?
I did.
It's really good. It's a good idea. And you got like the...
Oh yeah.
Sweet.
It's working.
So this broke, when'd you break this?
I broke this 3 days ago, right before the end of the show.
Are you driving it like that or?
No, I'm not trailer.
Trailer? Okay.
Awesome. And since last year I did the dash, console, new subs.
Yeah. Wow. Looks good, man. Solid. Have you metered it, SPL wise?
Did it last night with the broken windshield, did a 58.2 at 49.
Wow, with the broken windshield, man. What is your power on this?
It's on 3 MDAKs, wired at 2 ohm.
2 ohms.
So it's 2 per pair.
Okay.
Sorry, 2 per amp.
2 per amp, got it, okay.
But yeah, not too bad.
These are resilient sound?
This is Sundown.
Oh, that's Sundown, okay, got it. Awesome. Thank you for showing me, man.
No problem.
Yeah, your door is getting tore up, man. What's going on, everybody? This is Jacob Vile. I hope you enjoyed the full walk around we just got of his system. He was showcasing at the Made of Steel show in 2021 near Tampa, Florida area. Go ahead and give him a like if you haven't already, as well as comment. Let him know what you like about his system. Pretty impressive van. He's done a lot of work over the years on this vehicle. Really cool amp rack style that he has as well. So I really like the way he has it out of the box. Usually when you have a van in a base system like this, where the whole vehicle is a base system, you have optimal space to be able to make your amp rack, battery bank, and all your electrical in the back. You have room for that, and then you also have room for the really big wall with 615-inch subwoofers inside. So you did a really good job. Well, he blew the windshield out from being so loud, but any bass head hates when his windshield blows out because the stereo system is so loud. I don't know if anybody's ever experienced that before. And if you notice the way he has his layout of his boxes with the center port, 615s are all inverted. That helps the motor stay a lot cooler. Also, he has a smaller sealed chamber section, so he probably couldn't mount them regular because of the size of the magnet. And I'm pretty sure these subwoofers are rated at 2,000 watts RMS, so he's definitely pushing all the power to these subs. So we're going to go get to the demo now. If you haven't already, consider subscribing and enjoy this impressive demo. Sweet.
It's working. this 3 days ago, right before it came to the show.
Are you driving it like that, or?
No, I'm not trailer.
Trailer? Okay.
Awesome. And since last year, I did the dash, console, new subs.
Yeah. Wow. Looks good, man. Solid. Thank you for the demo. You have a good day.
You too.
Stay cool. Go ahead and take.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOVILE when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see you all in the next one.